recording? Yes.
Oh, shit, I look fucked up.
How is your birthday? You have to remember to stay for a long time because it's a happy day.
Well, I'm eating cake.
Yeah.
We're here at this party.
Talk about your birthday.
It's my party. It's at my house. And it's awesome. We're fucked up, right?
Yeah, we're really fucked up.
Yeah,
Here,
we're fucked up. I don't even know whose beer this is, but I'm gonna drink it. Cheers.
Cheers. Yeah.
Ew, I look like shit.
You keep talking.
Anyways, I look like shit too, that's why.
Don't look at that. Look at this because that's what you're looking at.
Okay.
And it's your birthday, and
Yeah.
we're going to move back down here in 1 month so we can be together again.
Yes, roomies once again party all the time.
Except my roommate Melinda, who's named Melinda, dude?
She probably has a mullet.
She's probably also a stupid bitch. But what if she's like the coolest person we've ever met? No,
shit.
her name's Melinda Garvey.
Okay, she's not the coolest person I've ever met. Definitely not.
I can't control myself, dude. How much longer do we have? We have 1 minute and 5 seconds. We have to make this good.
Okay, well...
No, it's not a flattering angle.
I don't know what to say. What do I say?
No, 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 no. Shh. No, 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 no. What time do you start tomorrow?
Oh, shit, I'm sorry. I have to work at 12 o'clock till 4. But I will be here until 12, and I will come back at 4. And I will be here. I'm about to throw up, man.
Are you really?
I don't know, maybe. I feel
Tell me
really
if you
sick.
want to. Okay.
I need to lay down.
Cut.
Oh my god.